Hey everyone, welcome to this new series where we build a complete CURD system as a WordPress plugin with database integration. And in this series, you will learn how to create, read, update, and delete data using your own plugin. This is part 1 where we will set up the basic plugin structure to get started. First, before coding, let's quickly understand what a WordPress plugin is. It is basically a PHP files with special headers that WordPress recognizes to add new features. Our plugin will create a database table and manage data with a simple interface. So what is our first step? Creating a plugin. Our first step is creating a plugin folder and file. For create a plugin folder, open your WordPress installation folder and navigate to WP content and plugin. Create a new folder here called my CURD plugin. My-CURD-plugin. Inside that folder, create a PHP file named mycurdfile.php. So, open VS Editor, file, there click open folder, my CURD plugin, and here this file name is copy this folder name and select the PHP. Save. This file will be the main plugin file. After open this file at the plugin here, the code first open PHP tag \\, and here first write plugin name colon. Plugin name is my CURD plugin. Next is description. Simple description, simple WordPress plugin with CURD and database integration. Next is version. Next, author. And save the file. This here tells WordPress the plugin name, description, version, and author. Now we also add a security check to prevent direct access. If not defined, under the first bracket, write apps path, single quotation open, write apps cart. Save. Now next go to your WordPress dashboard. Minimize dashboard, reload the page, go to plugin section. Look for my CURD plugin in the list. Click active. If you see no error, your plugin is set up and active. So far, we have set up the plugin basic. In the next video, we will add an admin menu and page to start building our CURD interface. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.